Welcome back, my dear students of class 9. I am Rajendra Rai from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, I am a science teacher teaching biology to you. Dear students, the last topic of the chapter cell, that is the cell division. Dear students, as per the cell theory, you know that the cell is the structural and functional unit of life, and all the living organisms, they composed of the cells. The cell get arise from their pre-existing form. It means when the old cell, the mother cell, get divided, then the formation of daughter cells takes place. So therefore the division of the cell division, that is having the very important relevance as far as the reproduction is concerned. Reproduction in the living organism is concerned. So dear students, the division of cell, it help in the repair of the old part that get damaged due to any injuries. The cell division, that is responsible for the growth. Plant grow continuously, as well as the having the enormous growth in the meristematic tissue. And this cell division form the gametes. So gametogenesis, growth, in the process of gametogenesis, growth, repair. So these are the processes where the involvement of the cell division to continue the life of that particular cell or life of that particular individual. Dear students, come to the point that how many types of the cell division are. So let us see, the cell division are of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Number one, that is mitosis, and number two, that is meiosis. Dear students, these are two types of the cell divisions are there, mitosis and meiosis. The difference in between mitosis and meiosis is, in mitosis there will be no any alteration, no any change in the number of the chromosomes of the cell of the daughter cells as compared to parent cell or mother cell. But in meiosis there will be the change in chromosomal numbers in daughter cells as compared to the mother cells. Means mother cells divided into two cells, and two cells are having the equal half number of the chromosomes of the mother cell. So this is the difference. But as far as phases are concerned, these takes place in four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So four phases are there: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So these are four phases of the cell division, mitosis or meiosis. Dear student, these four phases are the different phases that in which the cell become ready for the cell division. In prophase and in metaphase there will be the clear distinction in the cytoplasm. The chromosomes get clearly seen, nuclear membrane disappear. In anaphase there will be the replicating chromosomal number and division takes place of the cell. And in this telophase there will be the separation of two daughter cells. So see how it takes place. So in prophase this is a cell, this is a cell. Nuclear membrane get disappear, nuclear membrane get disappear, and chromosomal number are seen. There are chromosome numbers get separated as seen, and in this there is the replication of chromosomal numbers like this, replication of chromosomal number like this, 2, this is 2, this is 4, and in this, in anaphase, there will be the two poles are there, and these two poles are responsible to attract the chromosomes with the help of the spindle fibers. That with the help of the spindle fiber, while it will be attracted by this. And in telophase, there will be the separation of two daughter cells like this. In telophase, two daughter cells will be there and having the chromosomal numbers like 2. Chromosomal numbers. So these are the 4 phases that is in mitosis. So you are looking here 2 chromosome number, here 4. So replication of this chromosomes takes place in this mitosis. My dear students, come to this meiosis, and in the meiosis there will be the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in meiosis 1, what happens in meiosis 1? See this. If this is a cell, having the chromosomal number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what happens? It gets divided in second phase. It gets divided in second phase like this, into two cells. Polar cap will be there, and there will be the attraction of these 1, 2, 3, 4. So attracted, they get attracted, which results in the formation of two daughter cells, which are having the chromosomal number that is half. So here 4, here 2 and 2. Okay. So this is the meiosis 1, where the chromosomal number become half. But in meiosis 2, there will be further to increase the numbers, say suppose this one and this one having two chromosome number 2, so further they get something like this, and the replication of chromosomes will be 4, and further they get divided into because the spindle fibers they get attracted to them. Spindle fibers they get attracted to them at each pole, and cell division takes place. Which results formation of two cells having two chromosome numbers, like this, and this cell again it will divide having two chromosome numbers, having two. So here 2 and 2. So this is meiosis 1, meiosis 2. All are having the four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So in meiosis 1 there will be the prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. So but in this prophase 1, this prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. So in meiosis 1, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1 will be there. And to increase the number of the daughter cells, there will be the meiosis 2, which are having the prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. And by this, there will be the increment in the gamete mother cell, having the half number of chromosomes as compared to the mother cell. This is the mother cell. So my dear students, this is the cell division which are having its own significance. This mitosis in for the growth and repair of the tissue of the cells. About some question and answers based on the chapter that is cell and cell division. Dear students, who discovered cell? Cell get discovered by the Robert who? Who discovered nucleus? Nucleus get discovered by the Robert Brown. Who given the cell theory? Cell theory given by Shawn and Sleaton. My dear students, another question, that is, which cell organelle is called as kitchen of the cell? The plastid that is called as kitchen of the cell. Which cell organelles are having the chromosome double chromosome number? Which cell organelle is having the double chromosomal number, double membranous structure? Means mitochondria and plastid are having the double membrane structure, and mitochondria and this plastid are having its own DNA because of its specific type of function. My dear students, what do you know by the function of the peroxisomes? The peroxisomes are having some oxidative enzyme, and they are helpful in the removal of some toxic substances. What are the functions of the centrioles? Centrioles perform the functions for forming spindle fibers and polar cap in the plant and animal cell during the cell division. Dear students, give the detail about the importance of the vacuoles. The vacuoles are found, large vacuoles are found in the plant cells, and they are the reservoir for the water, some enzymes, and plant sap. And whenever it is required by the cytoplasm, it gets transferred to the cytoplasm. The vacuole that is found in the plant cell are for the providing the specific shape of the plant cell and providing the tightness to the plant cell. Next question that is coming from the Golgi body. What is the function of the Golgi body? Golgi body function as the packaging cell organelle. It packages the lipoprotein and glycoprotein which get synthesized by the ribosomes and this other cell organelle like SER and RER, that is lipid and glucose. So it performs the function of packaging of the lipoprotein and glycoprotein inside the cell. What are the function of the ribosomes? Ribosomes function as the protein synthesizer. It is having different types and you have to remember it. What is the function of the mitochondria? Mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell because it liberates energy as a result of the oxidation of food, oxidation of carbohydrate. Where does glycolysis take place? Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm. What do you mean by the fluid mosaic model? Fluid mosaic model is found in the cell structure of the cell membrane. What do you know by osmosis? Osmosis is the process by which the flow of the material from higher concentration to a lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So, my dear students, these are the several questions that you will find by the studying this chapter cell. And not only this cell is having so many tremendous knowledge. This chapter is having so many contents that you have to learn. And by learning it, you will be able to learn whole biology because this is the base of the biology. Dear students, cytoplasm cannot be manufactured artificially alone because it's a fourth stage of the substance. That is, substances stages are solid, liquid and gas. And fourth, that is plasma. So cytoplasm is the plasma, and fifth is the BEC, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. What do you mean by diffusion? Diffusion is the process by which the flow of the materials from its higher concentration towards the lower concentration without any semi-permeable membrane. What do you know by the chromosomes? The chromosomes are the genetic material that is found inside the nucleus, inside all type of the cells, whether they are plant cells or animal cells. And these chromosomes are the composite bundle of the DNA. So DNA get coiled and it forms the chromosomes, and DNA is the genetic material. What is the full form of DNA and RNA? DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid, while RNA, that is the ribonucleic acid. What is the function of the nucleolus? Nucleolus synthesizes the DNA threads. Which cell is the largest cell? Ostrich egg is the largest cell. Which cell is the smallest cell? PPLO, that is the having the smallest size. So, dear students, you have to know it. Not only this, my dear students, you will be also able to learn about this cell division. How many types of the phases are there in the cell division? There are 4 phases in the cell division: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. How many types of the cell divisions are? 2 types of the cell divisions are there: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis means there will be no alteration of the number of the chromosomes in daughter cells as compared to the mother cells. What do you mean by the meiosis? Meiosis is the process by which the chromosomal numbers become half in the daughter cells as compared to the mother cells. Meiosis get completed into 2 parts: meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, and all parts are having prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1, that is found in the meiosis 1, while prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2, that is found in the meiosis 2. And this meiosis is only for the formation of gametes, formation of different types of the gamete, male gamete and female gamete, whether they are plant or animals. So, my dear students, this is all about the chapter cell. We will be able to revise this chapter by question and answer. And questionnaire videos will be produced to you later on by completing the complete syllabus of the class 9th. Thank you very much. You like this video, put a like. You dislike video, put a dislike. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.